Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a Windows XP virtual machine on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. These are the two things you'll need. I'll leave the VirtualBox in the description. The XP ISO I can't share, but there's plenty of places where you're able to get them. So once you have VirtualBox downloaded from the link in the description, you're going to go into it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click New. Then just give it a name. Any name you want works fine. I'm just going to give it Windows XP. Then set your ISO. So wherever your Windows XP ISO is located, you're just going to put it into this ISO image area. And you can see it can already tell that this is Windows XP, but if it doesn't, just go ahead and set it to Windows XP and 32-bit or 64-bit depending on which one you use. But make sure it is the correct one for your ISO because that is important. As you can see, mine's already filled out, so we can just click Next. You don't really need to do anything with this as long as you know what it is. You can change it if you want, but I'm just going to leave it. And you can see we have a little error right here, so this needs to be no spaces in between it, so we're just going to click Next now. And now, the hardware that your Windows XP is going to want, you don't want to go too high because then it can start having issues, so I would say you probably want to give it like either the amount that it says, or you can give like 256, 512. You don't really want to give it more than about a gigabyte. And as for processors, you really don't want to go too high with this. I would say 2 max. Really, you only need 1, so I'm going to use 1. If you go too high on either of these, you can get issues with it. So I'm just going to go pretty low, pretty basic, and we're just going to click Next. Then you make a hard disk. This can be as big as you want, but mine is set to 10 gigabytes. That's fine. I'll click Next. And then we can click Finish. And the setup is formatting our virtual hard disk that we just created. And now it looks like we're loading into the actual setup of Windows XP. And here's the official installer. So guys, eventually you will most likely get to a product key screen. You're just going to go ahead and put in whatever your product key is for your specific version of Windows XP. And after that, it will be fully installed and you will be able to use it just like normal, just like how I use it in my Windows XP destruction video, or however you want to be able to use it. But with that, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.